Guys, with Bitcoin and Ethereum taking off like never before, Dogecoin is about to surprise us out of nowhere. You're not going to want to miss this update. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in, when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy and sell, so that you guys can as well. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button. It really does help with the growth of the channel. My Patreon is where I go over your portfolio and offer a lot of other services. Guys, with Avalanche going sky high right now, I predict that it'll hit $150 during this bull cycle. So you're going to want to get in on the dip when I see that it's steep enough and call it out with some cash on the side. You'd be up already 20% if you took my buy alert on that one. During this bull run, we're beginning to go into altcoin season. That's when you're going to see a lot of your favorite top altcoins like Dogecoin, Ethereum, Algorand. Guys, they're going to double, triple, even quadruple before the end of this cycle. Guys, a huge article came out titled, "Incoming New York Mayor Wants Crypto to be Taught in Schools." He believes that schools should be teaching kids how to navigate cryptocurrency and digital assets. With New York historically making cryptocurrencies difficult to purchase, this new mayor will likely change things around quite a bit, causing a lot more money to flow into cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the top altcoins, so you're going to want to get in before this happens. When I see that the dip is steep enough that we'll only have a short period of time before we see our desired profits. He's also announced that he wants to receive his paychecks in Bitcoin, causing a lot of other mayors to follow up along with him, offering the same or more so that they could become mayor. I think this is great to introduce to children how they could become financially free one day and quit their 9 to 5. Now, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts on this topic down below. I believe this especially if they do it in a very conservative manner. As long as they dollar cost average, only putting about 10% of their overall investment in each and every time that I call out the dip, and of course take profits a little bit along the way. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And of course, as I called out, we broke out of the ascending triangle that I was seeing form on the Bitcoin charts. And guys, we are headed up to $70,000 to $80,000 here very soon for Bitcoin. And you want to get ready for that because a lot of the top altcoins are actually going to follow up along with it and outperform Bitcoin by a huge number. Guys, some more huge news. An article came out titled, "Bitcoin Price and Classic Bull and Pennant Break Out as Bitcoin Whales Go on Buying Spree." With signs of a classic bullish breakout, it's now going past $65,000. And guys, as I've said multiple times, we are in the midst of a huge bull run because October, November, and December are literally the most bullish months of the year, historically. Guys, there's still time to get in, and you're going to want to get in before this bull run is over, in order to easily triple or quadruple the money that you do put in at this time. As long as you enter into the market when the dip is steep enough. A lot of the biggest whales and institutions out there right now are accumulating as much Bitcoin as they possibly can because they know that it is one of the most stable investments that they could possibly make relating to cryptos to easily see their money double and triple just by the end of this year. And guys, even if Bitcoin only doubles in value, it's likely that the rest of the altcoins that we invest in will triple in value because they historically outperform the top cryptos. Some more massive news, guys. An article came out titled, "Zimbabwe may be the next country to embrace Bitcoin as legal tender." Zimbabwe is currently engaging in consultations regarding growing interest in crypto. Guys, this is huge, and just as I called out when we saw other countries earlier this year taking it on as their legal tender, I told you that they would be so incredibly successful with this that a lot of other countries would then follow up along with them, only causing millions and billions of dollars to quickly pour into the crypto market space and cause a surge in the prices. Guys, since El Salvador made Bitcoin their legal tender, Bitcoin is already up 70%. That means their total economic growth is 70% because that country is so incredibly successful. After taking on Bitcoin, that's why these other countries are following up along with them. But guys, it's even cooler than that, because all of the companies, the small mom and pop shops that were forced to take Bitcoin as their legal tender once El Salvador did this, are now 70% richer. And that massive uptrend was actually accomplished only within 60 days. Guys, this is only the beginning of mass adoption, and you're going to want to get in before that happens, during these infancy stages of crypto when the prices are literally less than half of their actual worth. And guys, as we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, as you can see, we have a clear and consistent uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. And because we're in the middle of our bull run, especially after this cup and handle that I'm seeing form right here in this double bottom, we are likely to head up straight from here. Sure, we could go down just a little bit more before that happens, so you're going to want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out next, when I see that it's steep enough. So if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.